हेलो एवरीवन। मेरा नाम गगन ठाकुर है और मैं एक वेलनेस एंटरप्रेन्योर हूँ। और आज हमारे साथ अजीत हैं। अजीत काफ़ी टाइम से मेरे कस्टमर हैं और न्यूट्रलाइट के प्रोडक्ट्स को बहुत टाइम से यूज़ कर रहे हैं। तो आज हम उनका एक्सपीरियंस जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि उनको क्या व्हाट ही फील्स अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट्स और उनको कैसा लगता है इसके बारे में। तो अजीत, कैन यू क्विकली इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ प्लीज?
Hello, hi everyone. This is Ajit. I have been using Nutrilite products like maybe 3 years or so, or around 3 years. It started with, I just wanted to give it a try. I did attended a couple of sessions with Gagan, explaining the values of nutrition. Uh, I was kind of a guy who always believed, with day to day the food intake that we have every day in our life is always is sufficient. uh, I do eat non-veg also, so I was pretty confident that or pretty sure that I am satisfying the need of my physical health. But apparently, once I started, attending more sessions, started learning more, understanding better the importance of nutrition. It started with multivitamins only. I remember it was the a daily multivitamin tablet that we used to take, and I definitely felt the difference. I was more uh, energetic, more aware, even after the end of my day. Usually, I used to get very tired after a long day in the office in the evening or so. It was tiresome, and I used to feel sleepy. But I started focusing on my diet. I started focusing on the health. I try to maintain a balanced diet, try to have vitamins and minerals and good amount of protein and balanced carb in the diet. But down the line, somewhere down the line, it gets very difficult to get everything from the natural sources. uh, and If you talk about natural sources, most of them are yeah, uh, the vegetables or fruits we get are laced with lots of pesticides and uh, even a lot of chemicals that you use. For example, in case of apple, they use wax to make it shine, so which is difficult to it's difficult to get a quality food or quality vegetables or quality fruits every day. And The fruits and vegetables, they do tend to get uh, bad. They do get bad over a 4 or 5 period of time. uh, I started with multivitamins, and then I gradually move on to vitamin B, which is biotin cherry, and then the omega. I've started doing exercise, so I've included protein also. It was the excess protein, uh, and that's how it started. And gradually, I I got into a what do we say, in a habit of eating good, habit of exercising, habit of having a balanced diet, and making sure what I making sure and making aware of what I am taking in my body.
ओके, या फैंटास्टिक, थैंक यू अजीत। अजीत, मैं आपसे ये भी जानना चाहता हूँ कि आई थिंक आपका तो हमेशा से क्लियर था कि मनी वाज नॉट अ कंसर्न फॉर यू। आपका हमेशा ऐसा था कि अगर कुछ क्वालिटी चीज है तो बट मोस्टली हमने देखा है कि कई बार लोग ये बोलते हैं कि न्यूट्रीलाइट के प्रोडक्ट थोड़े महंगे हैं। और नो डाउट कि अगर आप मार्केट के किसी मेडिकल शॉप से अगर कोई आप लेके आते हो जो कि सिंथेटिक होते हैं, तो वो ऑफ कोर्स सस्ते होते हैं एज कम्पेयर टू ऑर्गेनिक न्यूट्रीलाइट सप्लीमेंट्स। पर व्हाट डू यू थिंक, आपको क्या लगता है कि इज इट वैल्यू फॉर मनी? मतलब कि अगर किसी को स्टार्ट करना है और अगर उनके मन में एक सवाल है कि प्रोडक्ट महंगे हैं, तो आप उनसे क्या बोलना चाहोगे?
uh, I would suggest you at least start with one of the supplements, maybe one of the vitamin tablet or one of the proteins, and try using it for daily. You would definitely feel the difference. Uh, the I mean, I'm specifying, or rather, I'm saying Nutrilite because Nutrilite is there from uh, in this business from a very very long time. They have definitely built a trust, and you will never come across a person who would criticize Nutrilite for its quality. uh, it's definitely a quality product, and I would say at the end of the day it's health. As we know, around the era or the last couple of years, we have seen the uh, global pandemic which has hit us pretty hard, especially in the second wave. uh, uh, all that is important, the we all has read or heard or saw people saying that health is health is your only wealth, or health is something very very precious to you. uh, and looking at the pandemic around the world, and that has something made people realize, made I realize that there is no alternative to health. There is no alternative to your immunity. There is no alternative to life, I would say. Because there was an era, there was a phase before this pandemic, that you could eat anything, you could eat anywhere, you can live any sort of lifestyle. There is always a medicine to get you cured. I've seen people living their lives normally with diabetes, living their life with high blood pressure, low blood pressure problems, and they used to live like 60 or 70 happily because of the modern medicine. But you cannot always count. The pandemic has shown us that you cannot always, or you should not always count on the modern medicine, because yeah, uh, the prevention is better than the cure. That's has taught the world, and many people have learned it by the hard way. But so, instead of putting you in a place where you need a cure, I would say go with treat your health more than money. Treat your health as one of wealthiest or precious possession that you have. And definitely I would suggest start spending money, time on yourself.
Wow, powerful. Thank you अजीत. और रिसेंटली आई थिंक लास्ट मंथ आपने अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए भी आई थिंक आपने उनके लिए विटामिन सी ट्राई किया. सो आपको ऐसा क्यों लगा कि बिकॉज आप तो मुझे पता है कि बहुत टाइम से ले रहे हो, पर व्हाई डिड यू फील कि ये आपके पेरेंट्स को भी जरूरत है, ऐसा क्यों लगा आपको?
Definitely, it's because of this pandemic only. They people from a previous generation, they are kind of they have had seen a better life, I would say. uh, a life where they used to grow their own food and then consume. My father and my mother both, they had a farm back when they grew up. So they did eat healthy. They did live in an environment which was uh, which did not have any pollution. They did not have any cars. They have bullock carts, and they used to travel with that. There were hardly any vehicles, there were hardly any pollution, and there were hardly any pesticides or chemicals used in those days. I've seen but gradually down the line, as life progresses, uh, the habits which they had, or rather the lifestyle they had, it suited them for a while. But down the line, somewhere down the line, your body starts to give up, your immunity breaks, weakens, your health starts to degrade after 50 or 60. And during the time of pandemic, I really felt that we need this. I need to start uh, you know uh, I need to start forcing them to have start including in their daily life. Initially I did try, but they uh, as I say, they are from a previous generation, or from a different generation, and it was pretty difficult for them to convince. But as the pandemic hit and they realize they need something extra, they have to have eat or include something extra in their diet for prevention during this difficult times.
वाह, थैंक यू सो मच। और अजीत, वैसे तो आपने काफी चीजों के बारे में हमको बताया, बस जस्ट लास्ट वन थिंग आई वांट टू नो फ्रॉम यू कि अगर कोई इसको स्टार्ट करना चाहता है, बिकॉज जैसे आप जानते हो कि हमारा मिशन है कि आप भी लाइक आपको भी जब समझ में आया कि इस चीज की जरूरत आपके पेरेंट्स को है, तो आपने उनसे बात करी, थोड़ा प्रेशराइज भी किया, बिकॉज वी नो कि हर चीज हम लोग एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकते, कुछ कुछ चीजों में हमको डिसीजन लेने पड़ते हैं, राइट। अभी ये जो वीडियो है, ये वीडियो भी काफी लोग देखेंगे, तो मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि ऐसे कुछ लोग होंगे जो लोग डायलेमा में होंगे, क्योंकि अगर मैं अपनी पर्सनल भी बात करूँ, तो जब बहुत टाइम पहले जब मैंने पहली बार सप्लीमेंट लिया था, तो आई हैड नो आइडिया कि सप्लीमेंट सही है या नहीं है। तो ऐसे लोग जिन्होंने लाइफ में कभी सप्लीमेंट नहीं लिया है या प्लान कर रहे हैं लेने का, और अगर डायलेमा है, आप उन लोगों से लास्ट क्या बात करना चाहोगे, क्या बोलना चाहोगे?
uh, I would say give it a try. Start with one of the supplements only, and start monitoring your body. Don't ignore it. Every allergy you get, or every sickness you have, or tiresome you see, you observe your daily routine, and you'll definitely feel that there is something missing, and you know also monitor or observe your body post you start consuming the supplements, and you will definitely see the difference, and the extra energy, or the freshness, or the good health that you have. It definitely makes the difference. A healthy body definitely keeps your mind healthy. Your thoughts are also become, there's a positive energy all around you. You'll definitely see a life changing towards you know towards better habits, towards better thoughts, and better lifestyle, I would say. Just start it, just give it a try, rather than uh, rather than someone else telling you or explaining you about the benefits of it, or pros or cons of it. You do your start doing your own study. Try to you know try to learn or understand what is good for your health. This is something your doctor will also tell you. uh, it's your immunity that cures you from a disease. It's not the medicine, or the tablets, or the outside western medicine, or ayurvedic medicine that cures you. It's your immunity. Whatever the medicine or supplements we take, it's to boost or improve our immunity. So uh, it's all about that. It's all about your immunity. It's all about your internal state, and your positive attitude, and everything will start to come in line once you have a good health, good immunity.
Wow, thank you अजीत, thank you so much. Okay, ये this is all. सो अजीत, वन मोर क्वेश्चन कि ये जो न्यूट्रीलाइट के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, कई लोग बोलते हैं कि ये तो हमको फ्लिपकार्ट पे भी मिल रहा है और अमेजोन पे भी मिल रहा है, पर यू हैव बीन बाइंग ऑल दिस प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम मी कॉन्स्टेंटली फ्रॉम लास्ट 3 years. तो आप उसके बारे में क्या बोलना चाहोगे कि इज इट अ गुड प्रैक्टिस टू बाय फ्रॉम अदर साइट्स?
uh, See, the Amway only sells their products through there is an authorized, I would say, a store available which sells the Amway products, and only the Amway business owners or holders could buy that product. Other person just cannot just walk into the store and buy those products. Now, give I buy it from an authorized seller or authorized store. It's because I see there's a lot of impurities, or a lot of fake products, or a lot of uh, unoriginal, not original products which are available in the market. Consider an example of a whey protein. Uh, there are a lot of whey proteins brands available. There are certain brands I like also. There is Access also I like, and there is Ultimate Nutrition also that I like. But the whey protein market, it's so I would say uh, I'd say degraded. I would say degraded that there are a lot of fake products available. With the same branding and same logos and same importer stamp and all that, but still there is no certainty that you are getting an original product, an authentic product. So you are the whole point of this, the products or the supplements, is to take care of your body. It's to improve your body. So make sure you are buying the products from an authentic person, authentic seller, authentic store. Because Amway never allows selling the products through retail store, any other retail store, or an online Flipkart, Amazon sites. They do not allow that. They do not you know and it's about authenticity, making sure that the products you are taking, it's they are authentic. At the end of the day, you're doing it for your body, your health. And if you're not making sure you're not going that one extra step, that you're buying the product but you're not going that one extra step to buy it from an authentic person, then that's no way. That's not going to take you anywhere.
राइट राइट। सो जैसे अजीत ने बोली कि एमवे के प्रोडक्ट सिर्फ ऑथेंटिक खुद एमवे भेज सकता है या फिर एमवे के जो ऑथराइज्ड सेलर्स है वो बेच सकते हैं। तो प्लीज अगर आपको वो प्रोडक्ट कुछ रुपए सस्ते मिल रहे हैं अमेजोन या फ्लिपकार्ट से, तो प्लीज वहां से मत लीजिए, क्योंकि वहां पे प्रोडक्ट 100% ओरिजिनल आएगा, इसकी गारंटी एमवे खुद नहीं लेता, इसीलिए दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट। और अजीत, एक और सवाल मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे व्हाट काइंड ऑफ, जब जैसे हम लोग काफी टाइम से फ्रेंड्स हैं, तो मैंने आपको कई बार बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स रिकमेंड किए हैं बेस्ड ऑन योर नीड्स। हाउ डिड यू लाइक दिस सर्विस? कैसा लगा आपको कि मैंने जो आपको रिकमेंड किए, वाज दोस प्रोडक्ट्स द राइट थिंग टू रिकमेंड यू? व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट द सर्विस दैट आई ऑफर्ड?
No, definitely. I mean, whenever there's some new products comes, or there's some discount going on, definitely, Gagan, you have had suggested me the products, and based on the needs, definitely you understood that I'm more focused on the health perspective of this, or if all this. And you definitely have recommended the products such as, there's a Tulsi, there's Biotin B. I've told you about what can I do for my skin or my hair, and then told me about the Biotin cherry, and then I've started with it. And even during the lockdown of the pandemic, the Amway was one of the allowed, I would say, companies to sell the products online. And I, even during the pandemic, I got the products on time, in good shape. There were no damage, good packaging, everything. The delivery is definitely fast and good. I would definitely give 5 stars for Amway delivery. And the products they have, the range of products they have, even they have recently launched their Ayurvedic products. They're definitely good, along with their existing chains of supplements, multivitamins and proteins. uh, the definitely service is good. Gagan definitely has helped me suggesting the right product. And the definitely the delivery is and packaging is definitely good.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच अजीत फॉर योर टाइम। आई होप कि ये जो इंटरव्यू है ये बहुत लोगों को भी हेल्प करेगा, और आपने टाइम दिया, आपने अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया, इसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत थैंक यू। एंड लेट्स होप कि ये लॉकडाउन जल्दी से खत्म हो और वी कैन मीट पर्सनली, राइट? तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम।
Definitely, Gagan. Thank you for having me.
ओके, या बाय।
Bye.